Hi everyone, I'm here to film an unboxing video and it's super unexpected. So this is how it came, and my husband already opened it and I'm actually very disappointed on how they packed it. Anyways, so this is how it looks. Just the box and the receipt. I mean, come on now. So here is the receipt. And return information. And let me show you guys. Oh, it doesn't say the price on here. Okay, it doesn't say the price, but I'll link it down below. I paid $15.64 with tax, and then I did $20 extra for overnight shipping. So this is how it looks. Do you guys have any guesses? Let's do this together. Oh, they modded this. So anyways, so this has been called for availability for the past who knows when, but I just recently started wanting it about a week ago. So exactly a week ago. I ordered it on the 21st. Today is the 28th. So I got it in 7 days. Which is so weird because they say that, oh, it's sold out all over the country. There's nothing in the United States. There's nothing in any stores, but I got one and I'm super excited. I got the the tracking shipping information on the 26th at like midnight. So I got it today, which is, like I said, the 28th. Do you guys have any guesses? So there's the dust bag. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's so sweet. They sent, oh, perfume samples. So I'm not even gonna say that because I can't speak French. But it came in a little dust bag. How cute. And then here is the bag. Ta-da! So I got the Bumbag. Let me just make sure it's not a return. So there's stickers still on the zipper. Here's the little D-ring, and then the top handle and the zippered compartment. I think that's, and this is where the D-ring, or the D-ring, the date code is. And mine says MI 3158, so the 35th week of 2018. And then it says Louis Vuitton Paris up top. Can you guys see that? It says Louis Vuitton on these buckles. And then this is adjustable. And then let's open it up. That's the inside, and there's this booklet that has all the tags. Put that in there. Oh, mine is made in France. Oh my gosh. Let's see. So it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. That's exciting. And yeah, this is how it looks. I'm gonna do some mod shots for you guys, and then yeah, it's so beautiful. Just goes to show that it's not completely sold out, as they say. So that's how it looks. Super cute. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.